thousands of years, civilizations have grown as nomadic communities. Seeking new horizons has forced them to move from one place to another, with all the difficulties that this entails. Until the invention of navigation, routes were long and dangerous, but the discovery of this means of transport contributed to a great advance in the development of communities and towns. In the last 100 years, the evolution of navigation, and more specifically amphibious vehicles, we present the latest in amphibious transport, TAC, amphibian technology from the Canary Islands. Currently, the project is being developed by a group of nautical engineers that will make this type of transport an affordable option to everyone. Made with the latest lightweight materials, it can be moved anywhere by a normal vehicle, equipped only with a tow bar. TAC is very easy to use and requires a minimum of maintenance, since it's not a motorized vehicle, but an amphibious transport. Other vehicles of this type are very expensive and require a lot of mechanical maintenance. This makes TAC easy and cheap to use. Basically, it's a boat to which 2 additional hulls have been added, using a retractable system which gives it stability, makes it easy to transport, and makes it able to carry loads of up to 3,000 kilograms. To make this possible, it has a moving platform that can carry the vehicle which has been towing it. It is equipped with an outboard motor to be able to propel the TAC with comfort and speed over water, and it makes it manageable on rivers or in lakes. Both loading and unloading the vehicle is done quickly and easily. The platform uses a hydraulic system which tilts about 15 degrees, and it uses a winch. Once placed in position, the vehicle is loaded via a track onto the platform, which afterwards returns to its original position. The retractable hull system is activated when it is launched into the water and gives stability. Once in the water, the rear and front wheels are raised into position, and then it's plain sailing. The Canary Island Amphibian System is a project that is currently in development and at the financing stage, but the personnel and technical team who direct it will ensure that amphibious transport becomes affordable, innovative and safe.